What's up?
Yo.
Hey, Luca.
Hi. He refused to be in this group.
What do you say? He left?
Yeah.
That bastard. Good riddance. Marco. Morning, Esther. El Drivers. What's up, dog? Some shots. Yo. See you later, dog. Buongiorno. בוקר אור, חבר'ה לך.
בוקר טוב.
Già tolto le line, mi passa meglio che non abbia morte, però guarda, è una macchina che veramente ci ha fatto di
Yeah. God, that's a quiet engine.
It's electric.
Yeah, it's amazing.
I wonder if you can tow with it. It would be great. All the air parks have problem with noise.
No. It's just got a very small battery. That's the whole thing.
That's about 100, right? Yeah, about 60. That's it's going away. Well, that's expensive. Look at you, Leah.
They are pretty large.
That cow's like, what the fuck is this girl doing?
Is she gonna blow me?
It's Julia. Is she gonna blow me?
She's absolutely great.
Hey guys, by the way,
Yes.
you're being recorded as we speak.
Yeah, she
gentlemen.
smoked too much of something. She's feeling like a cow.
Oh boy. You sure you want to say that, Christian? What is she feeling like?
Like a cow?
Yeah.
That's just a regular cow.
She's pretty small, but there she is. Yeah, she's... There's a...
I tied for first today.
You rock!
Zippy!
Oh yeah?